Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Nite Klub by British two-tone band The Specials from their debut 1979 album entitled The Specials. The song was written by the pioneer of two-tone, Jerry Dammers, together with The Specials, and the producer was Elvis Costello. The song was released on Jerry Dammers' own two-tone label, and therefore is classified as two-tone. However, it is a rebirthing of Jamaican ska. Jerry Dammers is playing keyboards on the original recording. The way I like to interpret the song is by using an organ, split the manuals, upper manual doing a little bit, sounding a little bit different to the lower manual. Allow a little artistic license as it's a simple tune to play, it's a fun tune to play. There's no need to stick religiously to the original. Chrissy Hynde is singing B-Fees, and I like to support the B-Fees where I can. The song is in the key of E. Basic chord sheet will be in the description box below the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe if you're finding these videos helpful, and hit the notification bell if you want instant notification of uploads. Okay, so here's an example of how I might play it.
What am I doing here? Watching the girls go by, spending money